Come test drive the 2015 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.